the sixth expression of number 0, 零 in Chinese is, since 零 means 0, and in daily life, sometimes we use 零 as very tiny, very small bit of something. For example, in daily life, when you take a subway, when you buy tickets or something, you always need small coins, right? We call that 零钱, small money. 零, small, little piece, and 钱 means money. So, 零钱, change. 你有零钱吗? Do you have small change? And similar idea, if you're working in retail industry, in Chinese, retail, we call it 零售. 零 means small pieces, and 售 is the formal word for selling, sales. So, 零售, sell in small amount, retail. One more word. In daily life, we also use the word 零头. 零头 in Chinese usually is used to refer the small part of a big number. For example, 2005 kuai. The 5 kuai compared to 2000 is a very tiny bit. So, in daily life, sometimes when we pay for something, if there's a small little bit in the end, maybe the seller will make a small discount for you to remove the little part of the price. Then, in Chinese, we call that 去掉零头. 去掉 means remove, and 零头 means the small parts, small bit. Okay, that's pretty much all we want to talk about number 0, 零, in daily expressions. So, 你有零钱吗? 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 Do you have small change? When I